Hello there, and good evening. So, I guess today is Harry Potter's birthday. So, I got in the mood to go ahead and make the world famous World of Wizardry butterbeer. Here is my list of ingredients. So, what I'm going to do, I'm improvising. I looked at so many recipes online that I'm just like, you know what, I'm just going to use what I have. So, I got cream soda. That's the magical ingredient to make your butterbeer golden. English toffee. Smells and tastes almost exactly like butterscotch. So I'm going to mix a little bit in with that, like maybe a shot of it. And then I'm going to top it off with whipped heavy cream on the top to get that nice whipped cream topping. And then I'm going to top it off with this wonderful toffeeTorani brand caramel sauce. Yummy, yummy. So let's get started. So, obviously to have cold butterbeer, I need ice. The famous Wizardry butterbeer is actually frozen, but time is of the essence here, kids. And so we're gonna use ice. So I'm gonna put like 4 cubes of ice into a mason jar. Then I'm going to use my awesome toffeeTorani brand English toffee, and I'm going to count to 3. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Then I'm adding cream soda. You could use any brand of cream soda, it doesn't matter what it is, okay? Be really careful with taking off the top, as shown. Oop. And pour in cream soda. Fill it all the way to the top. Already looks like butterbeer. Okay. Now this is what it looks like, okay? So far so good. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is use heavy whipping cream. Okay? Heavy. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Or actually, before you put the whipping cream on, you want to stir. You want to stir. So I have English toffee in here and cream soda. I'm stirring. Stirring. Woo, fabulous. Then we put whipped cream on. Beautiful. You could put a little bit of cream by dabbing it, just like so. That way it has that little creamy taste with the butterbeer. Whoop. My straw's like, I want to escape. It's magic. Then I'm going to top off with caramel topping. Isn't this amazing? It's amazing. My straw just wants to like pop right out. Yeah. So then we put the caramel topping on the top. And then you have your Harry Potter butterbeer. Delicious. Oh wow, that's really buttery. So there you go, kids. Here is your Harry Potter butterbeer. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.